we got the Lowe's Spring Fest deals, and we got some clearance and BOGO deals that they got going on at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So you get a free battery with the purchase of any tool. With these Eagle products, a 16-inch cut string trimmer and 765 CFM blower. So any of those will get you a free battery. That is something that they do not run just about every time. So jump on it ASAP to get that free battery. All right, $299. This is a brand new, well, actually not a brand new, but it's newer system that they got here. A 60-volt system. You got a string trimmer there. I'm pretty sure they're going to be running some more deals on these because they do have to compete with Eagle and all those other brands. So $299 for the leaf blower, 605 CFM. We got a lower grade here, 565 CFM leaf blower. Then we got an edge trimmer there. Those are the two blowers. Edge trimmer for $229. It is the kit, so 24-inch, 60 volts. You got a 16-inch chainsaw kit for $299. So all these are kits, guys. So you guys see, they all come with batteries and chargers and stuff. A pole saw kit, 8-inch, 60 volts at $279. All right, you got a chainsaw kit, 14-inch from Cobalt, $219, down from $249. Not too bad, 40 volt. All right, let's see what we got here. We got a new lower price, $199, down from $249. Greenworks, 2,100 psi. Then we got another one for $399. This is a 3,000 psi. Much bigger unit, down from $449. So you're kind of hitting the gas powered right there. So a surface cleaner, 15-inch on clearance for $31, down from $79. So that's pretty good. And then we got a pressure washer, 1800 psi, $119. And then we got the foam cannon here, $31, down from $79. Foam cannon Pro. We got another foam cannon, $25. And then 14-inch surface cleaner, $35 from $87 from Bricks Threat. And then you got this one on clearance for $119, down from $149. Pressurized sprayer 2.0. And then yes, generators, guys, check this one out. This is a killer deal. 8,000 GP, 8,000 running watts, 10,000 starting watts. Yes, guys, that's a killer deal on that one. $491, down from $1229. Killer deal. Check this out. Craftsman 5,000 watt generator, $319, down from $799. 6 on hand on this store. Yeah, and this one's a 3,500 watt, $256, down from $569. 10 on hand. Killer deals on these, guys. These are on East Mesa. Make sure you guys run on over and get them. East Mesa, Arizona. Phoenix, Arizona, if you want to call that. All right, so you got the 397 down from 1298. And then you got another speed lock insert, 292, down from 1198. Got an Eagle 21-inch lawnmower blade, $27. Got a few there. And then you got other brands. I'm not going to show you all of them. Got the commercial edging. You guys want to do your lawn and all your landscaping and stuff, DIY. There you go. You got a garden tray for wheelbarrow, 25, down from 41. I think I've seen these for like the past year. And then they got this one. This was the appliance. Make sure you guys check out your appliances. 41 cubic feet. This is a huge fridge. This is half price, guys. Then we got the toolboxes. This is a 4-drawer cabinet from the Cobalts. This one is 26-inch 4-drawer for $215, down from $269. Again, there's going to be some big drops on that one. Pro Tool Backpack, $31, down from $79. This is a killer deal on this one. This is the heavy duty one. There's two different ones, but this one's heavy duty. Has the big. This one's a 7-drawer, 41-inch, $399. Not bad, down from $449. Craftsman 41-inch, and then we got the starter kits. These are the Extreme 12 volt. They're $99 a piece. So these do include 2 batteries and chargers. You can get the impact driver or the drill. Pretty nice. You got this 27-piece drill and drive set, screwdriver set, $14.98. You do got some drill bits there on the left, extension bits, holder, 1 inch, and the speed load there at the top. Oscillating blade set, $24.98, down from $34.98. Then you got a 100-piece drill and drive set for $39.98. These are all deals from the spring deals that they got going on. These are all the bits that are inside. Just a quick and then they still got the buy one get one free, guys. You buy any of the tools on the top, get 2 power stack batteries for free. Definitely check it out. Lots of good deals. The sander, everything's all brushless. That is the newer screw gun, drywall screw gun, circular saw, reciprocating saw, impact wrench, the ratchet. Right, they got this sanding set, a 7-piece, $11, up from $12.98. And then Bosch got its own deals here, $99 for that drill driver kit, and then $149 for your choice here with that Freak, the brushless impact driver or the impact wrench, and the oscillating tool. But check this out, they do got this beast of an angle grinder with the X-Lock capable. Yes, not all the tools are X-Lock capable. I believe only 2 of them. You get a free starter kit with that one. So that's the brushless sander for $109, down from $139. Then you got the 2.0 battery for $49, and then you got the 4 amp hour starter kit for $109 if you want to purchase it by itself. 32-piece drive set for $14, 19 was 19. I personally do use these, and these I really love those bits. Really nice quality of those bits, definitely. 18-gauge brand nailer from the Flex, get a free 2.5 amp hour starter kit. 36-volt battery and charger from the Metabo, get a free 7 1/4 brushless hybrid quarter circular saw or the 7 1/4 rear handle. So bare tools on those. You got the jigsaw. This one's on clearance for $119. This is the clearance section, by the way, the tool clearance section. You got a 40-tooth blade set there. You got some groove joints, $13 from Airwin. You got the bar clamp, $32, down from $35.98. And then you got extendable level, $18, down from $33. Circular saw bare, $59, down from $139. Torpedo level, $16.97. And then they got here's another one, a Johnson 10-inch torpedo, $17. There's different ones that they have there. I'm not going to go over all of them. You got the Dremel Versa, $44, down from $49.99. And then you got this right angle adapter, $29, down from $34.98. You got this Vice Grips 8-inch pliers wrench, $17. Universal oscillating blades, $34.99 from the Dremel. And they got the routers, 1 1/4 trim router, 7 amp, $59.97, down from $99. Yes, guys, these blades are a killer of deal. They're on discount. They're on clearance. Run and get them, guys. Down from $54 down to $19.98. Stock up on those if you guys on the trade. Buy yourself a whole stack, truckload or whatever. 30-piece bit set here with the Tic Tac case. Pretty nice. Good discount on that one. And then check this out. You got the planer for $4.94 down from $5.49. It's a really nice planer. If you're on the pro level, you're going to be using that planer. Might as well jump on that one. You got the bandsaw here. It looks like a bandsaw. Yes, bench bandsaw, 9-inch, $197 down from $219. Porter cable. And that's what it looks like. This is a 9-inch single band, 2,500 RPM. Pretty nice. Pretty small, and you can get squeeze it into any corner of your shop or your trailer. You got this 224 down from 249. This sander, pretty nice. All right, you got another one here, 2.1 amp benchtop grinder, 71 down from 79. I'm pretty sure these, Like I said, these deals, keep an eye out at your store. They might be cheaper. You got the jig dwelling for $26. You got this awesome tool bag, 18-inch cargo bag, 14 or 34.97. They're for 49. Yep, guys. That's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great weekend.